So this is what we got. $10 from Dollar General. It's just a little church thing. Got some little lights in it. We're not going to be using those though. Got these lights. Nice little control with them too. Boom. Coke. Paintable. It's going to be our base. The most important part, this is going to be what's going to be on the inside here. It's going to be the watch we're going to be putting in there. Alright. So, let's start with unscrewing this here at the bottom. Looks like all these glass pieces slide out of here, so we're going to take all these out. So we got these pieces. I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to unscrew these in the bottom. Sure. Alright. This is when we have this over the top. I'll have to cut that end off. Woo! Oh jeez. Alright, let's that's a lot of Coke to just throw in there. So I need some cardboard, fill it out, then cover that in Coke. And then I can start to mold that. All right. Like a cake. Okay. Interesting. Alright, we're going to set this off to the side. Let that dry. While that's drying, we're going to put this light in here. And the important part on this is battery powered. So we got to be able to get the batteries out. Luckily this base that it screws into is separate. So this can go ahead and stay in here like that. So what I'm going to do is Coke that right on there like that. Now we gotta wait and let both these dry. So I'm gonna do a little illustration of what I have in mind on this thing. We got the base here. On top we have this little piece here, and we have this circle piece, alright? Watch is gonna be here right in the middle. You get a mold, so I'll be using this right here. And I'm gonna have my fingers grasping this part right here. Basically, I'll just have it to where it hooks in the wall like a picture would. Shouldn't be too hard. Worried about the part connects to the wall in my wrist right here. This strength here. I don't know if that's gonna hold, but we'll see. Alright. So we got this to make the mold. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's all right. This. That. Oh, it's not nearly enough. Oh, jeez. So it's 1 to 2 minutes. It just seems like it's so low. I don't think I had enough water. Oh no, this isn't right. Oh no. Oh jeez. My fingers. Ah, shit. Does not seem right at all. All of this is supposed to be. Oh geez, this is rough. Oh no. Okay, this is a mess. I'm 90% sure I'm gonna have to do this again. Well, I don't think that worked. Round 2. First one, it's not what we were looking for. I guess it kind of worked, but we need this gap closer like this to actually hold on to the ring. So we're gonna be doing this again. Well, don't know how I feel about this. Guess this is how it's supposed to look. Let's just start peeling away, I guess. Perfect. I messed with this a little bit off camera, and I did a little stress test on if this part right here could hold on to the wall, and it can't. It's just, this is just so much weight. It's probably at least 10 pounds. So we're gonna improvise, and what we're gonna do is just have this piece like this, and then basically this one's just gonna be hanging off the back like that. It already kind of naturally wants to do that. It kind of naturally stays. But I'm going to glue it in, give it a little extra support, and then we're going to be done. Kind of realized halfway through that this Bullivel Marine Star is just so much better for this case because of the black and gold on it. And it just kind of makes sense that this would go in there instead of the other one. So yeah, that's why this one's in there and the other one's not. I'm going to use a little bit of this hot glue and attach this hand on here. This is just one of 3 more coming ideas I have, and next one's going to be a sailor theme. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.